I'm away right now to go see my attorney. She handles all my real estate transactions, handles my wills, my trusts. She drafted all those documents. So I was confused earlier on in my business career on how important having good counsel was. So I'm going to give a couple quick tips here and an interview here real quick, because I think there's some information that we all need to know about how to work together with an attorney. Hold on, I'll be right there.
Offers some sound advice, financial strategist, and host of the Chicago-based radio show, Living the American Dream. It's Matthew Sapaula.
Isolate that highest interest credit card. Put that's going to be her target. Every other credit card, the tax strategy or the tax environment is my retirement savings in that down the road.
Allie Crawford is joining us. Financial strategist Matthew Sapaula.
Hello everyone, I'm here with Maritess, Bott, attorney at law. We've been seeing Batman, a lot of things, a lot of the celebrities on TV, and a lot of people think that they're set up, their finances are squared away, that their legal documents are squared away. Now Maritess, what lessons have we learned from Heath Ledger, Anna Nicole Smith, and Sonny Bono?
Wow, we've learned a lot of lessons.
Really?
You know, all their stuff is kind of exposed, first of all, to the public. Because they didn't properly plan, so it's public record. So everyone can see copies of their documents, wills, or whatever they've prepared. But mainly is, you know, if you don't update your documents on a regular basis, you never know. You never know what's going to happen. So for instance, Heath Ledger never updated his will after he had his daughter Matilda. And now his estate basically goes to his family, and who knows if Matilda will get any of it, because they never were married, and nothing was
Heath Ledger was never married to his girlfriend.
Never married to Michelle, so now it's kind of up in the air. And they said that, yes, the money will go to Matilda, but you never really know. So it's kind of scary to think that your money goes to people that aren't supposed to get it. I mean, it should go to his daughter.
Well, Heath Ledger's from Australia, right?
Yes.
So technically or legally, his money goes to his family in Australia.
Yes.
Bypasses his daughter in America.
Absolutely. Automatically goes to your family unless you have a marriage that had a child.
Sure. What about Anna Nicole Smith? What do we learn from her?
Oh, there's a whole host of with Anna
outside
Nicole
of marrying an old guy.
Yes,
right.
I mean, she did everything by will. Again, everything is public record.
Wait, she married a billionaire, didn't she?
Yes, she did, and again, she was fighting first of all to get her rights with her husband's, estate.
Right.
So I think she finally won something, but there was still some recurring issues that they were still pending before and during the time of death. But then when she died, she never updated her will again. She only had her son Daniel, who died before her. And now we've got this new baby who isn't necessarily even named in the will.
Right.
And you would think she would get it all, hopefully.
I mean, she had all the money.
Absolutely.
Right.
She had plenty of money to get the right advisors, to get the right advice, and yet it was still just done in a plain will, and it was all exposed, and it wasn't updated at the time that it happened. So the moral of the story is always update your documents.
Right.
Get it done, get it done right away, but then also every 3 to 5 years review it.
Now you're mentioning a will. Now, is having a will enough?
Usually it's not. In the state of Illinois especially, if you have more than $100,000 in your name and you have a will, we still go through what is called a probate process. And
That's going through court.
Going through court. The court is in control, and it's costly. It's roughly, anywhere from 2 to 9% of your estate. It takes time. It's the minimum of 6 months. Usually, I usually say about a year and a half to 2 years. And then, of course, it's public record. People, your neighbors, your relatives that you didn't even want them to know will now know what you owned and who you're giving it to. So usually a will, if you have, 100,000 isn't that much in Illinois, and eventually
that could be the equity in your house.
Could be your house. That's it.
Wow.
And I have, lots of probates where it's just the house, and so we go through the probate process. So usually, a living trust is the best document for people, and that helps you avoid the probate. Absolutely gives you privacy. No one needs to know. Two celebrities that I know, Frank Sinatra and Bing Crosby, they did a living trust. No one knows a thing about their finances.
Wow.
No one knows anything about what happened to their money. And you bet they looked for it. They went and combed the courts and tried to figure out if there was anything filed, but nothing was filed. So that's how everyone should be. And not that we're in that wealth, in that type of wealth, but everyone should have that type of privacy.
Here to offer some sound advice, financial strategist and host of the Chicago-based radio show, Living the American Dream, it's Matthew Sapaula.
Isolate that highest interest credit card, that's going to be her target. Every other credit card, the tax strategy or the tax environment is my retirement savings in, that down the road.
Crawford is